Guys, welcome back to cryptogains for another video. I want to show you what I see in the charts, talk about what's recently happened in the news, something that could probably bring Bitcoin down to the prices where I thought it may go to. If it's sounding interesting, drop the like and subscribe. I want to be careful, I don't want to get censored. Take a look at this, it's all over the news. There's madness going on right now because of this situation right here, right? So I want to talk about Bitcoin, where I expect it to come down to, and I've been telling you guys for a while, I've been expecting Bitcoin to come down, and I feel like this is a strong enough news narrative for it to maybe push it to come down there. I've got these, moving averages. I've got the 21 week moving average, I've got the 50-week moving average, all these other ones, but therefore, when you're down at the bottom. This is where the price is right now. It's sitting at $102,000 for Bitcoin. I've drawn this green line. You can see that I can move it. Doesn't exist yet, but I've drawn it as sort of like a prediction line to sort of see where Bitcoin could go and where the line, this moving average, could move to as Bitcoin's price starts to fall down. If I delete it for a second, or just, like that, you can see here right now the moving average is right about here, which is the price puts Bitcoin at a $96,000 level. Now, most of the world is probably still sleeping at the time of recording this video. I'm supposing once they wake up and they see the news, it might cause panic and sell because, yeah, just look at the news yourself if you want, right? So I think that we might see Bitcoin more than sooner now come down and test this green line. And I'm at the worst case scenario, I'm thinking $96,000. So this, when it gets here, could be an absolute buy opportunity for those that missed out on, markets and projects that you like. But when I look at everything else, all still looks fine. No, the ribbons are looking good. Bitcoin's not anywhere in depth of the ribbons where the ribbons are tangling and having to, markets, to turn around and stuff. So that looks good. I'm looking at where's the altcoins here? I got all the altcoins here as well. I'm still waiting for it to come all the way down to touch this white line of the flag. So yeah, we still got a bit of money to come out of the altcoins. They've been bleeding over the last few sort of weeks. Anyway, you can see here it's just been down. I mean, if you take a look from here to here, how down is the altcoins since there to there in the last sort of 4 or 5 weeks? Down 18%. So I do expect that it can still come down a little bit more. And you can see I've drawn this yellow line to show you how it would look, meaning that it would come down just this little bit more to maybe $754 billion. And again, I'm on the total 3 market cap. This is all the money that's in altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you're going to see your altcoins that you like, your favorite ones, just bleed out. I've always expected this to happen so it can hold support off of this white flag pole, you see the top one, and then hopefully we can catch a bounce off of that and then bang, off and away we go. But we'll see if this plays out, right? But I just want to update you with what's going on. Some madness going on right now. We will see if Bitcoin comes down. 96 sort of thousand puts us in the ribbon wise, puts us sort of midway into the ribbon, around about here, right? Well, that's 95,000, but I wouldn't expect us to go lower than this. If we did, it'd be like a wick, maybe like a quick buy up. But yeah, we will see what happens. It's going to be a short one. I just want to show you what's going on right now. This is the Gaussian channel. I don't think we'll come this low. I don't think we'll come that low, but we'll see. As time goes on, I'll update you guys. But I'm just watching this right now, right? Because this is my target. Get down to here. We'll look at things to see how the market's looking, and we'll take it from there. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.